Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to explain you difference of sets. Difference of sets. Okay, so what is difference of sets? Suppose I take an example 1, 2, 3, one set, and set B 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the two sets. And we have to find difference of set means A minus B. So what is A minus B? A 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And now what will you do in this difference of set? From set first 1, 2, 3 elements and second 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You first of all find out the common elements. 2 is a common element. So what will you do? From set first common elements remove. What will you do? क्या करना है आपको? सेट फर्स्ट से जो दोनों में कॉमन एलिमेंट्स है उसको रिमूव कर देना है. अब आपका आएगा 1, 3. दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ सेट्स. ओके. इफ सपोज I take B minus A, then what is B? 2, 4, 5, 6 minus A, 1, 2, 3. In this case, you find out again common element. This is a common element, alright. And from this first set, you remove this common element. What is 4, 5, 6? This is the B minus A, alright. Understood? Sometimes you do the mistake like this. If I write A minus B, what you do the mistakes? आप क्या mistake करते हो? उसको highlight करता हूँ. 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 5, 6. And this is common element. These are. So you do the mistakes. जो आप mistake करते हो 1, 3 लिखेंगे और ये तो लिखेंगे, इट्स अ करेक्ट, बट मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं आप? कॉमन को छोड़कर रिमेनिंग लिख देते हैं. 4, 5, 6. तो दिस एलिमेंट्स आर एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट्स. दिस इज द कॉमन मिस्टेक्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, तो यू डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक. ये मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. आपको क्या लिखना है? ए माइनस बी में से इसको हटा देना है. एंड व्हाट विल यू डू? ए में से कॉमन एलिमेंट को रिमूव कर देंगे. So this is the difference of sets. Now I take another question. Suppose A, or I take P. The set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set Q. Okay. 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. If I write P minus Q, क्या आएगा? करेंगे आप. P और Q में से कॉमन एलिमेंट देखिए. व्हाट इज कॉमन? 2 and 2 कॉमन एंड देन 4 कॉमन. ओके, तो फ्रॉम P these two common elements remove from P. Got my point? That is what is left? 1, 3. All right. If you want to write Q minus P, then 2 and 4 remove from Q because Q is first set, P is minus set. So Q minus P. This is two elements removed. Then the remainder are 7, 8, and 9. Okay, understand? And now I take one more example. P 1, 2, 3, Q 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I write P minus Q. What is P and Q? And now you search where are the common elements. 1 no common, 2 no common, 3 no common. Then no common elements. Then what will you write? P minus P only. 1, 2, 3. Because there is no common elements in P and Q. So that kind of set is P minus Q 1, 2, 3. All right. And now what is this? P minus Q equal to what is this? P. This kind of sets are known as disjoint set. What is this? Disjoint sets. So what is the meaning of disjoints? No common elements in two sets. No common elements in two sets. Okay, this is known as disjoint sets. Okay, got my point? From now we have done already union of two sets and intersection of two sets. Sometime in the exercise you have more than two sets in union or in intersection. Suppose A union B union C. Okay, now we know the method only union between two sets, not three at a time. So what will you do? It's your choice. A union B union C, three set. You put A and B in one bracket and union C. Okay, A union B union C. And what will you do? First of all, find A union B and then with union C. Or you can write this one, A union B union C, A B union C first, and this is okay. Similarly, A intersection B intersection C, A intersection B intersection C. You can write first one, find out A intersection B and then intersection C, or A intersection B intersection C, last two in a bracket, and then B intersection C, then A intersection with A intersection. These are the rules for three or more than three sets are given in union or intersection. Hope you understood.